Have you ever felt like your Windows 10 PC is running too slow and acting up and you wish you could just start fresh? Whether it's for performance issue or you are preparing to sell it or give away your PC, resetting your Windows 10 PC can be a quick way to solve a lot of problems. So in this video, I'll walk you through how you can reset your PC to just factory reset settings without losing your important files. So let's get started. For that, you can open settings, click on the start menu and select the gear icon to open settings. In the settings window, you can click on update and security. Select recovery from the left sidebar. In the recovery section, you will see an option called reset this PC. This is where you can get started with the reset process. So under the reset this PC, just click on the get started button. Now you will be asked if you want to keep your files or remove everything. For a complete reset, you can choose remove everything. And once you have selected your option, Windows will ask if you want to just remove your files or clean the drive. You can just remove your files for faster but less secure method and remove files and click the remove file and clean the drive. That will take longer, but it is a more secure option, especially if you are using and handing the PC to someone else. If you are keeping the PC, just remove the files and it should be fine. But if you are selling it, choose to remove files and clean the drive. And once you have made your selections, just click next, and Windows will warn you that resetting your PC will take some time. And once you are ready, just click reset and your PC will restart and begin to process the restarting itself. This could take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour depending on your PC speed and the option you choose. And that's how you can reset your PC and just start fresh, just like when you first got it. So if you choose keep your files, they will still be there, but your settings and app will be resetted. And if you went for remove everything, it will be as if your PC is brand new. So if this video helped you, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials, and leave any question or comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck for your fresh start.